हमने तो कई मिसाल देखे हैं।
I have seen many examples. And as a sister, on behalf of Shiv Baba, I would like to say to you, please definitely keep the key of determination, whatever you do, whether you do physical work or spiritual work. Where there is determination, there you will definitely have success. Within determination, you say, I definitely have to do this. It will definitely happen. It's not, oh yes, maybe it'll happen. We'll see. And with that, nothing happens. But determination is such a power. I have seen this from time to time, that determination is the key to success. So keep this key very carefully, because Maya, the five vices, would really like to steal this key. So you have to take care of it. Keep this key in your heart carefully, the key to determination. And I shared an example with this, about this, that even the impossible became possible. Otherwise, this organization has been going for 78 years, and how could it continue? And in fact, it is women, sisters, who are running this. And so it's amusing because people say, who is running your institution in the absence of Brahma Baba? And we say there are two dadis who are running this. And they say two sisters, two women. But actually, two women cannot live together. So how can you say that two dadis are running this? And people laugh at us. But actually, it's not the dadis who are running this, but even the one who is running the dadis is Bap Dada. And so they have made, Bap Dada has made them instruments. And the task, however, is of that one Supreme Father, Supreme Soul, Shiv Baba. And so this is why keep this key of determination with you. Never say, will happen, that will happen. And in the Gita they say that when there is faith, there is and determination, there is success. Or when there is doubts, then there is destruction. And so we shouldn't think, oh, will this happen? That won't happen. Hope that won't happen. So never let there be doubts in yourself. Oh, I hope this won't happen. But have the determination that success is my birthright. Success is the garland around our neck that has been given to us by the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. And so with this faith and determination, you can do anything and the impossible will become possible. This is all of our experience. So I think that you also, on the basis of this experience, can move forward. You will have success. Why would you not receive success? What sin have you done that you won't receive success? We are God's children, and why would the Father not help us? God says to us, you take one step of courage, and I am bound to give you 1,000 steps of help. And so I have experienced that never lose courage and never let go of determination. And then you can do any task. And it will be impossible for you not to receive success. And then you might say, well, there shouldn't be any test. No, but you will definitely get a test. Because this is the Iron Age. It is also the people and the atmosphere that is such. So you will have this test, but never let go of your faith. So many things have come in front of us. There is such a long history. But what I have seen is that never become doubting about yourself. I don't know if this will happen. Shiv Baba used to say to us in amusing way, do not say, I don't know, because otherwise you will lose all direction. You know. Why would it not happen? We are Master, Almighty Authority. The soul is Master, full of all powers, and when we perform the task in this way, we will definitely receive success. Definitely. Not that will it happen or will it not happen. It will definitely happen. And so this is what is called victory because of having faith in the intellect. And so all my brothers who have come, you definitely be our companions, be those who have faith in the intellect, put the step of courage and move forward, become instruments for world benefit. And that we have full success, this is absolutely certain.